Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you that will make transferring files between your phone and PC a breeze wirelessly, like a pro. Remember to subscribe, like and comment, hit the bell icon. So, let's get started. Look for the hotspot feature on your phone and enable it by toggling the switch, then make sure to note down the network name and the password. Next, open the Wi-Fi settings on your PC and select your hotspot network and enter the password you noted down earlier. Hit connect. Your phone and PC are now on the same local network. As you can see, I have internet access and it is 0 rated. Open your Xender application and at the top right corner select connect to PC. The transfer window will open up, then take note of the IP address display. Navigate to a web browser of your choice and type in the IP address in the search window. A pop-up menu shows on your phone. Select the accept button to allow connection, as well as on your PC select confirm, then select the start button to help you navigate through the different features for the first time connection. Your phone will open up, displaying all the available file folders. Simply browse through the folders and locate the files you wish to transfer. Now, simply select the desired files and drag them over to your PC's File Explorer window. You'll see a progress bar indicating the file transfer. Or simply click on download and you will locate your files in the downloads section. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tutorials. Until next time, stay connected and keep exploring the world of technology. Current technology, future excellence.